Nick Rutter from McKees37.com. Hey, guess what? Spring is finally here. If you've been watching this channel for any amount of time, chances are your interior is not super dirty, right? Because you're a fan of McKee's 37 car care, you buy our products, and you probably kept the interior somewhat clean throughout the winter months. However, now that the snow's melted and we have more daylight in the evening, you want to go out and tinker with the car after dinner and just clean it up. Well, here's two products that makes that so fast and so easy, and they're designed for a vehicle that is well maintained, especially with this application type. First and foremost, one of my all-time favorites, our Fast Interior Detailer. This is arguably not just the best smelling McKee's 37 car care product, but the best smelling detailing product that's available from anyone, right? This smells phenomenal. It's a quick detailer for all your vehicle's interior surfaces. Dashboard, door panels, leather. It works on all of the above. Now, before you use something like this, or before you use the other products, always vacuum up loose dirt and debris first. I like to use the Metro hand vac. It's battery powered. It weighs next to nothing. It's high quality. It comes with a ton of different accessories. So vacuum up any loose dirt or debris before you clean your interior. Now, Fast Interior Detailer, as the name implies, it's a detailer. It's not meant for super heavy cleaning. It works great to take off light layers of dust from, let's say, your dashboard or your door panels. You can either spray it directly on the surface, or to avoid any overspray, spray it directly onto a microfiber towel. Hey, all new cars, because of government mandates since 2017, have a screen in the dash with a backup camera. So we all have screens now, and many of these screens are touch screens as well. So you've got these nice big screens in the car, but the fingerprints galore. Use Fast Interior Detailer to clean these expensive screens. Don't use a regular interior cleaner for that, because you'll ruin it. This is safe. Now, to avoid overspray, I like to take it and I like to spray it directly on the towel for this application. Spray it on, wipe, flip to a dry side, and buff to a perfectly clear finish. Again, this smells great, and you can use it besides plastic and leather and vinyl. Use it on your piano black surfaces, which are more prevalent than ever in new cars. I mean, these surfaces get so dusty and fingerprint smudges show up, and it can be a real nightmare to maintain. Not with this. And then any kind of faux wood or carbon fiber, use this to clean that and protect it as well. Now here's a tip. Some vehicles, like Toyotas for example, when you're using this and you spray it, let's say on the door panel where your arm rests, down here in Florida, I don't always have the AC cranking in the car. I like to have the windows down, so I tend to perspray. Well, the perspiration, it leaves a stain on the door panel. And this is for light dust and light cleaning, but it can be deceiving. See, what happens is you spray this in the door and you wipe it and you think, oh, the door panel's clean. But you'll see the way when the product is flashing, you'll actually see that dark spot remain. That is grease and grime or perspiration, whatever, from your skin. So this is not designed to take care of that. That's when you need our Total Interior Cleaner. Separate product. This is a dedicated, much stronger cleaner for the stubborn stains like that. Or if you got maybe some coffee stains in your leather upholstery, take this guy, spray it on, or you can spray it directly into an applicator pad. Like, I love these dual action scrubbers that we sell. These work great for taking care of stains like that on vinyl and plastic surfaces. They have millions or hundreds of thousands or whatever of these nylon bristles that get in there and they gently scrub the material. So spray this on, scrub, wipe it off, spray it on, scrub, wipe it off until you notice that the mark is gone. Clearly indicated when you wipe with your towel and there's no strange flashing with the other surrounding material. It'll all be nice and uniform. That's how you know when it's clean. For the floor mats, if the floor mats are not super dirty, there's no need to use a garden hose and rinse them off and all that sort of thing. Vacuum up loose dirt and debris first, and then you can use our floor mat and cargo liner rejuvenator. This is the waterless method. Take the product, spray it directly onto the rubber floor mat or cargo liner, whatever it is, and then simply wipe with a microfiber towel. Now, if the floor mats are really dirty, then using it as instructed on the back of the bottle is best, which is when you take a hose, you rinse it off, you spray this on, you scrub it with a brush, you rinse it off again, you let it dry. But if it's not that bad, use this guy. It'll clean off the dirt and it'll restore a nice new deep black rich looking finish. Again, phenomenal product, fast and simple, a little bit goes a long way. So for all your spring cleaning needs for your car that's in relatively good shape, but you just want to touch it up and keep it looking that way, check out these products from McKees37.com. If you like videos like this, give me a thumbs up, click subscribe, and most importantly, shop at McKees37.com. Thank you so much for watching. Take care, and God bless.